So you're wondering what it sounds like to have a patient with sickle cell. We're going to the emergency room. First time as an adult patient.
It's my spine. It's right. It's like right down it. Oh, okay. I can't take this. Oh.
We're going to the emergency room. What is your pain level?
It's like a 8, 9. No, oh God. Oh. Did you get my shoes?
No.
Oh God.
I can always go back.
Spine. A spine. Oh. Please.
I'm going as fast as I can. We're almost there. Where's your pain at?
It's like in my spine, my leg, my spine, and my shoulder.
Breathe. You have to breathe. Are they gonna put you on oxygen?
I'm breathing. Oh.
Almost there.
It's like.
Almost there. Thank you, little car, for moving out my way. Not for me, thank you, Jesus. 4 more lights and we'll be at the emergency. You want to try to take some more pain meds?
No. I can't.
Did you drink enough water so they can start your IV?
I've been drinking water all day.
Almost there. 30 more lights is there. So, before we moved out here, I would have to travel all the way to the city with this behind me, which would be an hour drive.
Ow! Oh, whoa.